They're taking a movie.
You're making a movie? Oh, it's going like this.
No, couple second movie.
Because we really did. What did we say? 10 o'clock we wanted to leave.
I think if we left at 8.
8?
Yeah, but still, it's only a 4-hour. It was only a 4-hour boat trip.
Yeah.
Oh,
where's Ty? He's down there. John's up there in the rocks. In the blue shirt. Catch some fish? Who caught those fish?
You.
And who?
You.
Me and John?
Yep. Pretty cool too.
that was so much easier.
Go G! Push!
Thanks for your help, Nod.
I got your stupid chair.
Oh my God, that was the light thing. You can take the heavy drink.
Tyler, see fish. Hold them up. Woo, that's a lot of fish. That's a big one on there. Yeah. All right. John caught some fish. Woo. Okay. Careful, it's slippery.
Are you recording?
Okay, do it. Grab your rock.
Okay, tell me when you're recording.
It's recording. Give it a whack. Whack-a-do. Just a little tap is all you need to do. Don't hold your ears. Don't be a sissy.
Put your hand.
That was loud. Oh.
God, it's already noon.
We're some noisy campers, huh?
Yeah, it is noon already.
Is that fun, son?
Yeah.
What you doing over there?
I'm peeing.
That's a lot of pee for a little boy.
I know.
I don't see no pee. I don't see no peeing.
Making mud with your pee there, bud.
Oh, sorry.
Hey, Miles, is that Ty?
Miles is watching you pee.
Thousands and thousands.
Those are some big old trees. McKinley Grove. These trees are about 2 years old. 200 years old. They're monsters.
Hi, stand right here. I gotta take you a picture of the roots.
Roots. Roots, stand by the roots, son.
Right here.
Better be quick.
It will be quick.